Okay, to start the theorem, derivative of composite function. नंतर आहे composite derivative of composite function 1.1.1 derivative of composite function. Derivative of composite functions, function of another function or function of another functions. So theorem है theorem if y is equal to fu is a differentiable function of u and u is equal to gx is a differentiable function of x such that the composite function y is equal to fgx is a differentiable function of x, then dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. ओके, सो हम इसका अभी प्रूफ देखेंगे. प्रूफ देखेंगे. ये थ्योरम क्या है? थ्योरम if y is equal to fu is a differentiable function of u and u is equal to gx is a differentiable function of x such that the composite function y is equal to f gx is a differentiable function of x, then dy by dx is equal to dy upon du into du upon dx. अभी हम देखेंगे प्रूफ कैसे आया. प्रूफ first of all, given that y is equal to f u and u is equal to gx, we assume that u is not a constant function. Let there be a small increment in value of x, say delta x, then delta u and delta y, delta u and delta y are the corresponding increments in u and y respectively. U and y respectively. Okay, so as delta x, delta u, delta y are small increments, in x, u and y respectively, such that dx is not equal to 0, delta u is not equal to 0, and delta y is not equal to 0. So if we have delta y upon delta x is equal to delta y upon delta u into delta u upon delta x. Taking the limit as delta x tends to 0 on both sides, we get अभी लिमिट delta x tends to 0, delta y upon delta x is equal to limit dx tends to 0, delta y by delta u into limit delta x tends to 0, delta u by delta x. as you suppose, म्हणजे आप सपोज करने का है कि dx delta x tends to 0 and we get delta u tends to 0. U is continuous function of x. U is continuous function of x. हाँ जो u है वो x का कंटिन्यूस फंक्शन है, तो लिमिट dx टेंड्स टू 0, dy by dx is equal to limit du by du tends to 0, okay, du tends to 0, फिर into dy by du into limit dx tends to 0 into du by dx, ये है इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट. अभी हम सेकंड. since y is a differentiable function of u and u is a differentiable function of x. We have we have limit du tends to 0 dy by du is equal to dy by du, and limit dx tends to 0 du by dx is equal to du by dx। लिमिट हमने dx टेंस टू 0 लिया तो इसकी वैल्यू du बाई dx ही रही, और इधर du टेंस टू 0 लिया तो भी इसकी dy बाई du की वैल्यू dy बाई du की वैल्यू वैसी रही। ये है इक्वेशन नंबर सेकंड। अभी फ्रॉम इक्वेशन फर्स्ट and second we get so limit dx tends to 0 dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx, इक्वेशन नंबर थर्ड। यह हुआ इक्वेशन नंबर थर्ड। ये इक्वेशन फर्स्ट और इक्वेशन सेकंड से ये वैल्यू लिया, लिमिट्स dx टेंस टू 0 dy बाई dx इज इक्वल टू dy बाई du इंटू du बाई dx। सो दी RHS of equation third exists, and it finite implies RHS of third equation also exists and is finite। सो अभी हमारा क्लियर होगा कि को प्रूफ क्या करना था कि dy बाय dx dy बाय dx इज इक्वल टू dy बाय du इंटू du बाय dx, ये हमको प्रूफ करना था। ये हमने इधर इक्वेशन 3 में प्रूफ कर लिया। सो लिमिट dx टेंस टू 0 dy बाय dx इज इक्वल टू dy बाय dx। ये dy बाय dx और ये dy बाय dx में इक्वेशन थर्ड बिकम्स। सो प्रूफ क्या किया? प्रूफ dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx, hence proved। ये आपको समझ गया होगा। सो हम अभी लेंगे इधर हमको चेन रूल दिया हुआ है नीचे। सो मैं वो सिर्फ नोट डाउन कर लेने का है। नोट नीचे लिखो, नोट फर्स्ट नोट है द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ कंपोजिट फंक्शन, the derivative of composite function can also be expressed as follows: y is equal to fu is a differentiable function of u and u is equal to gx is a differentiable. How? Okay, so a differentiable function of x such that the composite function y is equal to f gx is defined, then dy by dx is equal to f dash gx into g dash x. Okay, this is the first rule. Note down, सिर्फ note down. second rule है, if y is equal to fv is differentiable function of a v is equal to gu is a differentiable function of u and u is equal to hx. इधर v रहेगा, hx is a differentiable function of x, then dy by dx is equal to dy by dv into dv by du into du by dx. This is the second rule. Dy by dx is equal to dy by du, dy by dv into du by dv by du into du by dx. So third number rule, if y is a differentiable function of u1 ui is a differentiable function of u I plus 1 for I is equal to 1 2 dash 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 n minus 1, and un is a differentiable function of x, then dy by du dy by dx is equal to dy by du1 into du1 upon du2 into du2 upon du3 into dash 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 into du n minus 1 upon dun into dun upon dx. This rule is known as chain rule. This is known as chain rule. Dy by dx is equal to dy upon du1 into du1 upon du2 into du2 upon du3 into dash 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 into dun minus 1 upon dun into dun upon